Welcome to the Oversoul battle tutorial. We'll start this tutorial by clicking the PvE battle button in Oversoul's main lobby menu. This is the quickest way to go straight into battle. At the center of the very bottom of the screen, you'll see 9 different colored circles. These represent your character's elemental power. Each character's default element will automatically have a starting charge of 5 points, which you'll see as a number 5 in the middle of the corresponding circle. All characters also have a neutral element default of 4 points, which will come in handy for card expansions or dual element characters. Clicking directly on the element circle will use 1 turn to add an extra point to your total regeneration per turn, with a maximum regeneration of 5 element points per turn. All elements have a maximum cap of 20 points. These element points are used to power your cards. A total of 5 playable cards are randomly displayed at the lower left corner of the screen. Selecting a card from that hand will move it to the lower right side of the screen, putting that card in play. Clicking on a card that's in play will return it to the deck. You can select as many of the 5 cards as your element charge will allow. The cost of the element points is displayed on the upper left corner of the card. There are 4 basic card types. They are Attack, Unblockable Strike, Defense, and Special Skill or Spell cards. The symbol in the upper right corner of the card notes the card's type. Basic attack cards and unblockable strike cards display the amount of hit point damage they will cause your opponent in the center of the card. Mousing over a special skill card during your turn will allow you to read that card's requirements and what that card will do. A defense card will display the number of defense points awarded to you in the center of the card. Once a defense card is used, it will be added to a defense total, which you can find displayed as a shield with a number on it next to the hit point meter at the bottom left of the screen. Once you have made your card selections, click the End Turn button to play out your turn. Clicking the End Turn button without selecting any cards will end your turn by giving you a default element charge. Clicking on an empty card space within your playable hand will use your turn to draw new cards. You can also discard unwanted cards in your hand by toggling the X button to the left of your playable cards into the on position. When the card option is on, the X button is highlighted and any playable card you select will be discarded at the end of your turn. Toggling the discard button off will allow you to put cards into play within the same turn. 3-hit and 5-hit combos can be achieved by using multiple attack cards in a single turn. While there are some exceptions, most special skill cards cannot be added into the combo. Future updates will give bonuses for combo attacks. If you are victorious at the end of a PvE battle, you are given the option to attempt possession of the opposing character. If successful, the base version of that character will be added into your character inventory. If the character eludes possession, you can always buy that possession with a single soul gem. How you like them apples?
Boom!
Man. So anyway, we hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for listening, and we'll see you in-game on Oversoul.
Oversoul!
Now go play.